EMOORE food connoisseur. Welcome to my foodie adventures. I'm here to give you my most honest opinion about the restaurant and the food I will be reviewing. So sit back, buckle up, and enjoy the ride, baby. Hey foodie fam, what's going on? I'm at the Holiday Ice Cream Cafe, located on Route 130. This is an ice cream spot that I've been eyeing for a while. Since it's hot outside, we're gonna go in, see what they got in there, and then we're gonna come back and talk about it. Alright foodie fam, we're back with everything. Like I said, it's a nice hot day out here, so we decided to get some nice cool treats and let you see what our experiences is. This place is located at Edgewater Park. Like I said, I've been eyeing this place for a while. It's open, it looks like it's open all year round, but never went there, so I decided, hey, why not? All right, y'all, I'm gonna let you see everything we got. Before I get into the ice cream, I'm gonna ask you please to like, subscribe, and share me out. You see the bell on the page? Click it. That's when you know when I'm on. All right, we got a couple of flavors. I'm gonna show you what wifey got too, and we're gonna do our taste test. So, just let you see the flavors. This is a brownie one right here with chocolate syrup. This is another brownie one without chocolate syrup. That's wifey's. She not into chocolate like me. See this big monster? Banana split. I got something called a chocolate ice cream cupcake, and you will see that. So let's get involved. How y'all doing today? It's a nice hot summer day out today. Which they said it was going to be like 98 today, but to me it really don't feel like it. But I haven't been outside that long. I was up in church, hearing a nice word, and now here we are. So let's see. Take a look at this. Is it something you think you want to cool your taste buds off with some nice, refreshing ice cream on a day like today? What states, what countries, what states are you in watching me? Do you have delicious dessert options like this? Let's see. Soft ice cream. I got some Oreos on top, and it's like I said, this is nice soft ice cream, which I love. Chocolate fudge. See that? I can eat this whole thing. Simply amazing. All right, let's go in for the next flavor. Cupcake. This is the cupcake. They're like Fort Knox. Here we go. It's the cupcake. Oh, that's kind of, you gotta break the code to get in. Nice, sweet, creamy. This would definitely have you bouncing off the walls. I found some chocolate. For all of those, all of you that like sweet, this was definitely for you. It's enjoyable. It's creamy. It's soothing to the taste buds. All right, the next one, banana split. This is coming out my box. I said, hey, why not? So check this out. This is an homage from my grandmother Lena. This is something that she would always get from off of Mr. Softy. The banana boat. Miss you, Grandma. Alright, let's see. She never let me have any though. Not bad. Got some nice flavors going on. You got, of course, you got your bananas in there. I taste pineapple. I taste cherry. I got all vanilla ice cream. Chocolate mixed up in it too. I didn't get any nuts because I got something going on with the peanuts now that's bothering me. Very enjoyable. I see why you wouldn't share with me now. This grown folk stuff right here. Now I get it. It was two things that I didn't have as a child. And that was the banana split and lobster. My mom used to get lobster when I was little. And she'd be like, when you get grown, you can get some lobster, but now you can't have it. And I had it for the first time, and I was like, oh, now I get it. Lobster is simply amazing. All right, y'all, let's break it down. First was the brownie. And that was nice, creamy, soothing. You get your chocolate fix with that. That right there gets a 9.5. All right, the cupcake. I gotta break the code a little bit when I get home, but it was nice. I'm not really into that hard shell kind of thing, but it was sweet, it was cool, it was soothing, so I would give that an 8.5. The banana boat, that's on a whole nother level. That was like the tropics, you know, the pineapples, the cherries, the chocolate, the nice cool cream. That one right there gets a 9.5 as well. It's something that's very unique, and I get it now. I'm not a big banana person, but all those flavors go great with each other. they kind of help each other along the way, and it creates something that's just amazing. It's savory and it's cooling. So I ain't gonna be on here too long because ice cream melts and wifey's sitting over there holding the bag. So once again, it's always a pleasure coming out, letting you experience my foodie adventure, whether it's regular foods, smoothies, or desserts. You know, everybody want to know everything about different things, like not just restaurant food. Some people like to know how desserts are. So I'm your man that's doing that. I'm doing fast food chains. I'm doing mom and pop shops. I'm doing, you know, these little places they have where you can get a nice cool treat, whether it's ice cream or water ice or whatever it is. If you got any suggestions for me, you see the comments. That's what they're there for. Hit me up in the sections there and let me know if any spots in your area you want me to go try. And I will do my best to get there and try them out. All right, y'all. Enjoy the rest of your day. Remember, every day you get to open your eyes up. You get to hear those birds chirping, smell that summertime smell, or whether it be your mama or a loved one cooking some nice breakfast, is a gift from God. Remember that. Give your loved ones that nice big bear hug, and you will see me on my next review. EMOORE, food connoisseur, I'm out, baby. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Click that like button, the notification button at the bottom of the page so you know my videos are on.